Edo State Civil Society Organization on Friday 23 February 2024 carried tori pipo join body enter some of the roads wey dey under construction to do some check and also see how the projects dey. According to the members of the civil society, dem carry body put for this check to confirm and know the truth of the rumor wey dem dey hear say Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki no dey do any roads. Na this one come make dem carry waka enter road to see for themselves. The check start from Ogbonge Street wey dey off Upper Sapomba Road, where dem meet with the contractors wey be Seahawk Solution and Logistics Limited wey dey in charge of the Ogbonge Road project. From Ogbonge Road, dem come carry waka enter two connected roads wey be Omomo Street and Uhuaegbo Street, and also Isibo Street, and the contractors wey dey in charge na Nosba Engineering Limited. Engineer Henry wey represents the contractor on site come give the quotation of the road length to be 350 meters each and the width na 6.5 meters, and Isibo road length na 415 meters and width 6.2 meters. Engineer Henry come still talk say the challenges wey dem dey face for Isibo road na say many landlords build their sockaway for road and some of their houses too push come out for the road, and say e dey disturb their work and e can also make the road work tiny.
Our challenge was that we came to this Ogbonge Street. In one of these sections, we have three roads here: Isibo Street, Ogbonge Street, and Igbo. Now, in almost you have a challenge. The challenge that most of the safety tanks and sockaway, they are all on the road.
From the residents'
houses
connected to the
existing road.
As it is linking to the road.
The existing road. The existing road. So, 6.5, yes. There's existing moat.
The one by
Primary school. I did a video while we were working in Zabayo. I didn't know that even the drain, the convert on Zabayo, between Zabayo and Plymouth Road is seated. So I just submitted that request to the Honorable Commissioner's office. We are very good here. The residents, we are very good. In the sense that every morning you come to the drain and meet a whole lot of debt from their various companies.
Okay, it's going to be open.
Yes.
Now, this very road, in terms of what's the level of laterite?
We have about 1.6 because it's a virgin road. It's a full construction, not rehabilitation.
Was it deseated first before
absolutely,
the
absolutely. The
1.6.
1.6.
Why 1.6?
Also, it's a virgin road. As you open, you see waste material, unsuitable. We have to get rid of the unsuitable and have create a balance level.
What about the granite?
It's not very rehabilitated.
Yes. You mean we drill this corner?
Yes, we were laying layer by layer. Behind you can see our progress.
Some of the landlords for the different areas come talk say but let's sweet them well for the progress with them they see. They come still talk say
the surface it's also good preparation for asphalt laying.
Okay.
To lay asphalt. But how you go say that they do their work? They follow now they relate well as community. They follow
the community member, I'm a tenant.
Yes, now people when they the residents, not be community, now resident. They carry on along as they do the work as it's supposed to be.
Working I see for it, what I see in this whole exercise is that they unuse the sand.
For those to level na compound. And that one they help
appreciate that.
Okay.
On the other hand, the work is done so far. I cannot say anything now. The engineer, you finish it, and the engineer, I expect, see whether it is perfect or not. But with what I'm seeing now, so from the butter,
and you are happy. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much.
We were so happy when we saw this brother standing representing the government telling us that the street is going to be under construction within 2 days. At that time before, we were very such news. After 1 month, 2 months, to become 10 years.
How you see the work when they do?
One that
be bad work, not be bad work.
It's a perfect work.
Okay. Then the way when they do them, is they fast? I mean, is they slow?
I'm even thanking God. I believe I say God is inside them.
Okay, so the work they fast.
Very fast.
Okay. Thank you very much.
from Isibo Street, they come carry waka enter Lucky Street where them don't finish the work, but the civil society members come complain say the gutter not deep reach and them supposed to cover the head. From there they come enter Lagos Express Road across Adolo Road where still they unfinished. From there they come enter to the end of 19th Street, Adolo College Road, where them also go see the moat where them they construct to take control the erosion for the area, and the contractors in charge of this road now the 11th Construction Limited. Public Relation Officers for Network of Civil Society Organization of Niger, Comrade Bevi Efe and Comrade Annie Umoru, come here to read people the reason for the check, their observation and their next move.
We want to say that this inspection opened our eyes to see so many projects that were done by the governor that we are not aware of. Some of them we just hear then, and today we have opportunity to see them. Issue that pertain to the drainage, underground drainage, I want to appreciate the governor. That was an extremely perfect job that will take the water collectively from the 19th Street to down to the moat. That was a perfect job. But as a way of recommendation, we do it by writing, but I'll just say some verbally here. We notice that there is a deliberate effort to avoid illegal structure that in right of way that the government is supposed to pull off so that to give the road a fitting and make the road to be perfect. And government shouldn't be afraid to do the right thing. And particularly for any political reason or whatever reason, government should be found to have the courage to do the right thing. And we also noticed there was some unauthorized market that are not registered either with the local government or with the state. We know how market are formed in Benin. If there's market that are not who are not real market, I don't know how to put it, whatever we want to put it, they should evacuate that area so the street trading that will not damage our road. Understand? So we want to also say that some of the drillage, they are shallow, some are also very deep, but majority of the drillage that are shallow are more. We want to also appeal to our governor that our drillage should be deep and they should be covered.
Today we have just touched a few places. You know, over time we have heard that the roads or their constructions being done, and it's good to start matching the names of the roads with the work being done. And so today we have just done a little, and seeing that it's about to rain, we have to also retire for the day, and we will reconvene soonest because they gave us a list, and I can tell you we've not done 1/3 of the list, and so we will also go to the others, go through them, see them, and also sit as a team, make recommendations officially to government and to the to the Commissioner of Roads and Bridges, also to the government, to see how those that are not probably being done, what we think can be done to make it a lasting road.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.